In today's world, financial literacy is not just a life skill, it's a necessity. It empowers our children to navigate the complex world of money with confidence. By equipping them with financial knowledge from a young age, we give them a priceless gift, the ability to build a secure and prosperous future. Teaching children about money can seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. The key is to start early and make it age-appropriate. Just as we teach our children the alphabet and basic maths, we can introduce them to financial concepts gradually, building upon their understanding as they grow. The benefits of early financial education are manifold. Children who learn about money management are more likely to save, budget effectively, and avoid debt. They develop a sense of responsibility and independence, knowing they have the power to make informed financial decisions. Investing in our children's financial literacy is an investment in their future success and happiness. By providing them with the tools and knowledge to thrive financially, we empower them to achieve their dreams and live fulfilling lives. Even toddlers can grasp basic financial concepts. Start by introducing the concept of money. Show them coins and notes, explaining that we use money to buy things. You can play shop at home, using play money to purchase imaginary items. As children grow, introduce the idea of saving. A piggy bank is a great visual tool. Encourage them to save for a small toy or treat, teaching them that delayed gratification can be rewarding. When they're ready, open a savings account in their name. This helps them understand how banks work and the importance of saving for the future. Consider giving them a small allowance for completing chores. This allows them to practice managing their own money, making choices about spending and saving. Remember, the key at this age is to keep it simple, fun, and engaging. Use games, stories, and real-life examples to illustrate financial concepts in a way they can understand. As children enter their preteen and teenage years, you can introduce more complex financial concepts. Discuss budgeting, explaining the importance of tracking income and expenses. Help them create a simple budget, allocating money for spending, saving, and perhaps even donating to a cause they care about. Encourage them to earn money through part-time jobs or entrepreneurial endeavors. This provides valuable experience in earning, managing, and appreciating the value of money. Introduce the concept of investing. Explain how money can grow over time through investments. Consider opening a custodial investment account and investing a small amount of their savings, teaching them about risk and return. Discuss the responsible use of credit cards and the dangers of debt. Emphasize the importance of living within one's means and avoiding impulsive purchases. Section 4. Open communication and shared learning. Open communication about money is crucial. Share your own financial experiences, both positive and negative. Discuss family financial decisions, explaining how you budget, save, and invest. Encourage questions and create a safe space for your children to express their thoughts and concerns about money. Involve them in age-appropriate financial decisions, such as planning a family holiday or choosing a mobile phone plan. Learning about money together can be a fun and rewarding experience. Watch documentaries, read books, or explore online resources together. Many websites and apps offer interactive games and lessons on financial literacy for kids and teenagers. Section 5. Building a legacy: generational wealth and beyond. Financial literacy is not just about individual success, it's about building a legacy for future generations. By teaching our children about money, we equip them to make sound financial decisions, not just for themselves but for their families and communities. Generational wealth is not just about inheritance. It's about passing down knowledge, values, and a healthy relationship with money. It's about empowering future generations to create their own financial security and contribute to a more prosperous future for all. By starting early, engaging in open communication, and making financial learning a lifelong journey, we can empower our children to become financially savvy individuals who make a positive impact on the world.